Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. Telegram is one of the best application for chatting like Messenger. So don't waste any more time, let's jump into this video. Firstly, you need to open Telegram application and then click on this pen icon and then click on the new channel option. Now write here your channel name. Now write here a description like this and then click on this option. Guys, channel type. If you select private, then you can only chat one person. And if you select public, you can chat too many people at once. And then write a public link like this and then click on here. And now click on here. Look at this, my channel is ready to chat. This channel I will make for my all subscribers. You can ask me any question on here. I will 100% try to solve it. Guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and comment on comment box what you want. I will 100% try to solve your problem. And subscribe this channel for Android tutorial.